Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to intro this vlog because now that I'm editing, I realized I didn't clue you in as to what was happening. So I'm gonna do that now. This is from a camping trip in Maine that I did with Alex's family. And in this first part, we go to this outdoor restaurant called Red's Eats. And it is this place where you can get the most fantastic lobster rolls. And so that's what happens in the beginning, and then we just have a great weekend of camping. I don't film a lot. I had a hard time with vlogging around this time. I think this is about when I started questioning a lot of what I should vlog, what am I vlogging, why am I vlogging? So it's a bit piecey, but it's still really fun memories for me to watch back on. So yeah, that's pretty much what's happening, and here you go. These are like, really is like the full pound of lobster. Oh, we just got dinner. It looks so good. We waited in line for a full hour to get these. And this place I've seen on the Travel Channel. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't even. I'm going for it.
Oh my god.
I gotta mix it up. There's sediment in the bottom.
Oh my god, here I go.
They poured the butter from a tea kettle. Is it magical? I hope it's magical.
It is. I do like
how do you even get in there?
Though. I do agree. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was good. That's so good.
That is so much lobster.
Not bad. We've escaped back to the car. We ran back to the car. It is not still 59. Your car is lying. It's really, really cold. My nose is red. My fingers are cold. We were all shivering while eating.
The butter was warm.
It was. It was worth it. It was super good. But we have to go pick up a pillow because someone forgot their pillow. Look who has just emerged and is not happy about it. All of a sudden I just heard it sound like a goat from across the campsite. It was an Alex still in his sleeping bag. The sun's out. It's not that cold out. It's not that bad. I've taken my vest off and everything. Whoa, I almost fell. What are you? Tent tour. Go back in my hole. You're gonna go back in your hole?
Yeah.
Too freezing?
It's so cold.
It's not that cold.
Duh.
This is maybe one of the best parts of camping, but we brought these. Oh, you think it's just a gallon of milk and some maple syrup? Oh, nope. Wait. They're tiny. Like, look at, it's just a baby little gallon and a baby little, Good morning, chickens. Good morning, chickens. We have nothing for you, though. I know you think I do, but I do not. Our campsite is over there. I didn't know they whined this much in the morning. Why? Okay.
It sounds like Alex.
It does sound like Alex in the morning. He got up.
They are. You can see the difference.
So we're in We're in LLB. Is this like a flagship store?
I think that's the flagship.
This is the maybe. And Alex is so kind to let me come and walk around and touch everything, even though I don't really plan on buying much. I really like this though. Thanks. Everyone else is back at the campground, but we have to get stuff for dinner, and Alex is very kindly letting me touch everything. I do need a new raincoat. So many. I want to touch everything. Alex and I have been looking at these chairs online. They're these really cool, like, rocking camp chair. They're pretty nice. I was just in it. You like it?
Yeah.
They're more expensive here, so we're gonna wait.
The only thing I don't like is where the cup holder is.
No?
No, 'cause it's like if you have some tall,
Oh.
like a beer, it's gonna be like right up in here.
Yeah, that's true.
Like I don't know why they couldn't.
Maybe for the rocking sake, so you don't rock back and like rock it into you.
Maybe.
I'm glad we got to test that out though.
Yeah.
Because we've only looked at it online. The baby beeves.
Hey, look at this caterpillar.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Lola. Oh, I like the black and white.
Yeah. Lola's super cute. These are
Or the
fresh little babes.
one. Hi.
Hey, bubs. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. This looks like a deer. I don't know, but she's debated. Are you gonna get it?
Go get it.
You could. You could do it.
Oh my gosh.
You could totally pick it up.
No. You're gonna have chicken on your hands. Well, I did it come out through here? Oh no.
We're making chicken bananas.
It wants you to pick it up. Glorious day today. You'll notice that it's October 11th. Yep. I'm in a bathing suit top. Someone is not. So like that's how Alex is dressed. And this is how I am dressed. We've come down to like our campsite is just up there. If you come down this little embankment, it is super hot. Well, okay. It just feels warm. It's not crazy hot. I even debated going in the water, which I still might put my legs in. There's no water here right now, but out over there is. And Deb just made a bunch of popcorn, which is a superb snack. But yeah, we're just chilling today, but it's gorgeous.
So nice.
Did you take a nap?
No.
No? So proud.
Been reading.
Just been reading? That's nice. Oh, that's not even your head.
Sleeping over
I'm
there.
sorry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the hammock creature behind us. Sarah's taking a little nap. It just disappears.
Like a crater in the moon. Boink.
Oh, right in front of the rock. Yeah, we went in.
Here didn't make it.
It's actually really nice. I think the water's still like technically summer temperatures, which is like upper 50s, but it feels super nice. It's really, really like deep mud though, so you can't go very far. We were just barely far out and we were up past our ankle. It is so crazy the temperature difference from being up here compared to being down there, it's like I am now back in full sweats attire. It's also a little bit later, but it's just nuts. There's so much wind because like this is just an open field, so there's no protection. It's like summer down there and fall up here, so we get to have the best of both worlds. I'm loving it. Oh, it's going. Ah! That took off more than I anticipated.